Hello, this is Charles Folkart on March the 10th, 2017. Welcome everyone, especially those of you who subscribe or are new to the channel. If you're new and am not a subscriber, I would encourage you to subscribe. On my channel, I discuss very important and relevant subjects from a Israelite identity perspective. In other words, the Israelites were Caucasian Anglo-Saxons and were not Jewish, and that's very important in our world, in our society today, and my perspective is very unique compared to most other people out there. Today I want to do a follow-up on the 2 or 3 previous videos I did. That Amazon and Lulu.com has removed my book Deadbeat Dad from their website. I had to self-publish my book Deadbeat Dad because the mainstream publishing houses will not go anywhere near this book. This book is opposed to their agenda. This book exposes the American legal system, how it is used by feminists to attack and to destroy the lives of white males. So a person like myself, an author like myself, has no other choice but to self-publish. And what's happening now is the self-publishing websites like Lulu.com and Amazon.com are removing these books. They've removed my book. They removed another book by Tex Mars. I'll bring you there in a moment. So they're basically preventing our free speech. Our First Amendment right is being infringed upon, not by the government, but by other entities that have the power over the press now, a power over the means to produce books in the new technology. I'm a self-publisher, but Amazon has taken upon themselves to deny me my right to publish my book using their apparatus. And why I'm making this video is I want to be able to send this video to other authors and other people concerned about the censorship that's taken place by these self-publishing online sources like Amazon and Lulu.com. I don't want to have to explain everything in an email. It's just a lot easier and a lot more convenient and easier for you, the receiver of the video, to understand what's going on. I'm at Wikipedia. They say censorship is the suppression of free speech, public communication, or other information which may be considered objectionable, harmful, sensitive, politically incorrect, which is where we are now, or inconvenient as determined by governments, media outlets, authorities, or other groups or institutions. I believe, as a writer, as an author, and a firm believer in the First Amendment, the right of free speech, that we need to fight back. I'm being harmed by my inability now to receive a return on my investment of time and money on my book. I spent money at Lulu.com and they did not give me any chance to recoup my investment. They didn't pay me back. They just took my book off and they kept my money. I've been harmed. I've been harmed that way. I'm also being harmed in the fact that I cannot sell my book now on Lulu or Amazon.com. And the public is being harmed because the public is being denied the right to have information on important, significant subjects of public interest. My book, Deadbeat Dad, and I also believe the book by Tex Mars, are newsworthy and of legitimate public interest. These are the three conditions that need to be met in a court of law that the plaintiff has to prove in order to win a case or prevail in a case of invasion of privacy. And I've already gone over this in my previous video. I'm not going to go into it today, but my book does not meet, or I should say it this way, the plaintiff that has made the allegations against my book, Deadbeat Dad, could not win in a court of law. But they don't have to go to a court of law now. All they had to do was send a letter to Lulu, perhaps drafted by an attorney, and allege a privacy of issue concern or defamation concern, and bingo, the book's gone. I have no opportunity to defend. I have no opportunity to present evidence opposing. I have no opportunity to show the allegations to have been false. This book's gone. I've been censored, and we're losing our First Amendment right. My First Amendment right is being infringed upon. I think there must be a way so that we can fight back, that we can use the legal system, we can use the court system, and us authors that this is happening to, we authors that are being censored, perhaps we need to work together and with concerned individuals in the community, in the nation, that are concerned about losing their First Amendment rights, for the authors and the writers to present the truth and the readers to be able to have access to the truth that's being censored. So that's the point of my making this video. One, to alert you to what's going on at Lulu and Amazon.com. They are banning books, essentially, that they find objectionable, or for whatever their monetary or financial reason, they just don't want the hassle, and they're not requiring a court case or a court order to be presented to them first before they remove a book. It's causing me damage as a writer. It's causing you damage as the public, because you're not getting the truth. You're not getting the information that you need that is of a legitimate public interest. I want to thank you for watching. I ask you to share this video. Send this video to an attorney or a lawyer who specializes in intellectual property disputes like this one that you know of, that perhaps we will be able to work together with them and come up with a solution. Perhaps all we need to do is send a letter of our own to Lulu and Amazon to get the issue resolved fairly and equitably. I wanted to bring you to the Power of Prophecy website by Tex Mars. He's had a book just also removed from Amazon.com. He does mention here that Amazon sells a wide variety of disgusting and off-putting books on a myriad of topics such as rape, torture, murder, sexual perversion, sodomy, and cannibalism. I'll let you come back and read this. He says that Amazon believes it is censorship not to sell certain titles because we believe their message is objectionable, but they had no problem removing my book, Deadbeat Dad, without so much as an opportunity by me to even read the allegations. And on March the 8th, which was only 2 days ago, Tech says he received an email notification from Amazon.com that his book, Holy Serpent of the Jews, has been suspended from sale for the website. This smacks of the censorship that they claim they do not condone. We're back to communist USSR, and I won't go into any more of this, but we're being censored, and where is this going to end? Now let me take you to another article. So Amazon bans World War II revisionist books. This is at rents.com. I'll let you come back here and read this. But this banning of books is picking up steam, folks, and I believe we need to do something about it. If you agree, please share this video with anyone who you think might be able to help us. Please send me a PM, and I can give you my contact information that way. So I want to thank you for watching. Please share this video with anyone that you think will be able to help in this important First Amendment fight. See you.